Traffic lights, turning white. The surprising reason behind the change. Remember those frustrating red lights, always interrupting your jam session while cruising in your car? Well, buckle up, Buttercup. Because the future of traffic lights is about to blow your mind and maybe free up some time for another power ballad. Forget red, yellow, and green. The future is all about white. Hey, gearheads and gadget geeks. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today we're ditching the dusty manuals and greasy wrenches to dive headfirst into the world of smart traffic lights and the surprising reason they might be turning white. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's cruise into the future of transportation. The concept of using white light as a form of communication among self-driving vehicles opens up a fascinating dialogue about the intersection of technology and everyday life. This innovative approach can be likened to a secret handshake among these advanced cars, allowing them to silently negotiate their paths and manage traffic flow much more efficiently than humans ever could. It's a glimpse into a world where technology takes the lead in ensuring our commutes are not just faster, but also safer and more environmentally friendly. But let's delve a bit deeper into how this could potentially transform our daily commutes. Imagine a scenario where every intersection becomes a seamless transition, with cars gliding through in a perfectly choreographed dance, guided by the invisible hand of the white light. This isn't just about reducing commute times, it's about creating a harmonious traffic ecosystem where the frustrating stop and go is replaced by a fluid motion, akin to water flowing through a stream. For those of us still in traditional vehicles, the transition to this new system might seem daunting at first. However, the beauty of the white light communication is its simplicity for human drivers. There's no need to learn a complex new set of signals or rules. Instead, the system is designed to be intuitive, allowing human drivers to benefit from the advancements without needing to interact directly with the technology. It's a bit like riding a wave where you let the momentum of the self-driving cars around you guide your way. Moreover, the adaptability of the system to real-time traffic conditions is nothing short of revolutionary. By leveraging data from self-driving vehicles, the system can dynamically adjust traffic flows, reducing bottlenecks and easing congestion. This level of responsiveness is akin to having a living, breathing traffic management system that's always one step ahead, ensuring that traffic moves as efficiently as possible regardless of the time of day or traffic volume. However, as with any pioneering technology, there are significant challenges to overcome. The analogy of teaching a grumpy uncle to use TikTok is apt, as it highlights the resistance to change and the learning curve associated with adopting new technologies. The infrastructure overhaul required for widespread implementation of the white light system is a monumental task. It's not just about replacing physical hardware. It's about reimagining the entire traffic management framework from the ground up. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. The research being conducted by institutions like North Carolina State University is crucial in pushing the boundaries of what's possible and bringing us closer to a future where traffic congestion is a problem of the past. The vision of a world where our roads are managed by intelligent systems, facilitating seamless interaction between human-driven and autonomous vehicles, is incredibly exciting. In conclusion, while the widespread adoption of the white light communication system may still be on the horizon, its potential to transform our roads and make our commutes more efficient and enjoyable is undeniable. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, it's important to keep an open mind and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. The journey to integrating these advanced systems into our daily lives may be long and fraught with challenges, but the destination promises a future where our commutes are not just a means to an end, but a symphony of coordinated movement that brings out the best in both human and machine. Hey gearheads and gadget geeks, just checking in. Feeling white-hot about this future traffic light idea? Or are you still stuck in the red zone of skepticism? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this futuristic traffic light revolution, beyond traffic lights. But wait, there's more. The white light is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the future of transportation. Buckle up because we're about to take a joyride through some mind-blowing concepts. Imagine your windshield transforming into a personal assistant. We're talking augmented reality displays showing directions, traffic updates, and maybe even reminding you to grab coffee before work. Because let's be honest, we all need that sometimes. Tired of those pesky potholes throwing you off course? Say hello to self-repairing roads. Researchers are developing concrete infused with bacteria that, upon contact with water, the pothole's kryptonite, actually heals the cracks and keeps the road smooth. Talk about roads that can take a punch. Ever dreamt of driving on a highway that talks back? Smart highways with embedded sensors are the future. These futuristic roads will collect real-time data on traffic, weather, and even potential hazards, feeding the information to both cars and drivers for a safer and smoother journey. Want to see the future of road safety? Imagine accidents becoming relics of the past. With the help of powerful AI analyzing data from cars and smart highways, these accidents could be predicted and even prevented. Talk about a future where everyone gets home safe and sound? Parking woes got you stressed? Don't worry, the future has your back. Literally. Autonomous parking lots are on the horizon, offering features like electric charging stations, space-efficient designs, and even self-parking cars that can squeeze into the tiniest spots. No more circling the block for an eternity. Just drop off your car and let it find its own happy parking space. Public transportation feeling like a drag? Get ready for an upgrade. Demand Responsive Transport, DRT, is shaking things up by providing on-demand public transportation options. Think of it like a personal taxi service for everyone, picking you up and dropping you off at your exact location. No more waiting at overcrowded bus stops. Just tap the app and get on your way. Feeling a little bit gray about your car's color? Well, the BMW color-changing concept car might have the solution. With 240 customizable panels, you can transform your car into a rolling kaleidoscope, reflecting your mood or simply adding a splash of personality to your daily commute. And for the grand finale, how about flying cars? We know, it sounds like science fiction. But companies like ASA are making it a reality, with pre-orders already underway for their 4-seater flying SUV. It's not quite flying to work just yet, but it's definitely a glimpse into a future where the sky's the limit, literally. Last but not least, meet the Hyundai Elevate, a car that defies definition. This innovative concept can not only drive on roads like a regular car, but also elevate itself on legs to help people in wheelchairs access difficult terrain or even assist in disaster relief efforts. It's a testament to the future of transportation being not just convenient, but also truly inclusive and impactful. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the future of transportation, where the roads are smarter, cars are more adaptable, and the possibilities are endless. It's a future that's not just about getting from point A to point B, but about creating a more efficient, sustainable, and exciting way to experience the world around us. Now buckle up and get ready for the ride. The future is only a few traffic lights away. That's it, folks. We hope this glimpse into the future of transportation has you feeling more excited than stuck in rush hour traffic. Remember, the future is full of potential, and it's up to us to steer it in the right direction, pun totally intended. Want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about these mind-blowing innovations? Then buckle up and hit that subscribe button for Car Computer Exchange. We'll be here bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles and the future of transportation. Until next time, happy cruising.